Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Ibrahim, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix and solve too many users on Google Drive, full 2026 guide. If you've ever tried to open a shared file and got that annoying too many users message, don't worry. I'm going to show you exactly how to clear out access and fix the issue step by step. To get started, open your browser and head over to Google Drive. Once the homepage loads, you'll see your familiar workspace with all your files and folders laid out. From there, click on Drive so you can enter your main file area. This takes you into the section where everything you've uploaded or organized is stored. Next, click on Home. This page usually shows your most recent or frequently accessed files and makes it easy to navigate if you're not sure where something is. After that, go ahead and click on My Drive, which is where the file you're trying to fix will likely be located. It's your central hub for all personal Drive content. Once again, click on Home to bring up a clear, refreshed list of your files. This helps ensure the interface is fully updated before making any changes. Now choose the file that's giving you trouble. Open its menu by clicking the three dots, which brings up more options you can modify for that particular file. Inside that menu, select Share. This is where Google Drive keeps all the access settings, and it's the key to fixing the too many users problem. You'll see another share window appear, and this is where you can view exactly who currently has access to the file. Next, click on the permission level that says Editor. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you can adjust or remove permissions for specific people. To fix the issue, click on Remove Access. This will immediately take people off the file, reducing the number of active users and clearing the error. And once you've removed the extra users, finish by clicking Save to lock in your changes. Your file will now reload with the updated permissions, and the too many users warning should be gone. And that's the full process for how to fix and solve too many users on Google Drive. Full 2026 guide. If this walkthrough helped you out, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.